Hello everybody, welcome. We're the Happy Travellers and we live full time in our motorhome. It's an auto trail Comanche and we travel the UK and Europe. So there's me and Steve and our little dog Pippin. So I just thought I'd show you a few of my favourite products for keeping it clean and smelling nice. Because as you can imagine, it's quite a small space. So let me show you what I like to use. Kitchen surfaces. I like to use this method because it's a plant-based product, so it's eco-friendly. You know, you can't use bleach or anything, and it's method, and it's the multi-purpose spray, and it's grapefruit scented. So you can get these anywhere. They're about £2 now. So that's that one. It smells lovely. And when we have problems with the drains, which we do, the sink and the shower, it really absolutely stinks. So we have found now soda crystals are the very best thing. We just pop them down over night time and they cost about £1 for a bag of these. You can get these anywhere. And then when I've done that, I pop down some of this Flora. It's just a disinfectant. And I also make up a little solution of this and I spray the cupboards with it and the other surfaces just to make the place smell nice. In fact, when I was cleaning the wardrobes and that, I made up a mixture of the Flora, and this is one of my favourite scents, this one, the jasmine and what is it? Yeah, honeysuckle and jasmine. I like this one, so that's nice. It lasts a long time, and I pay £1 for these from Poundland. And because Pippin sits on the sofas with us and she sits in our bed, and if it's very cold she goes in the bed with us, so I spray all the bedding and all the surfaces with Febreze, and this one is for fabrics, so it's quite safe. You can spray it on all your fabrics, clothes if they're a bit stinky, shoes, blankets, anything at all. Even I put it on her coat in the bed. So that is very useful, and this cost me £2, and I think again it happened to be in Poundland and I bought that one. So, but you can get them scented just for your room or elsewhere, but I use the fabric one. And in the toilet, I've just started using that VI poo. It really, honestly, I know it says on the instructions about toilets with water in. Well, I put a little bit of water in the toilet and then spray this. And honestly, you will not have any smell of number 2s. It really, really, really does work. And maybe afterwards, when you've got rid of it, you can just have another tiny little spray. That costs £2, but in B&M I bought this. There's a couple of different scents, but I like lemon, so I got this one. So yeah, you don't get much in it, but it lasts a long time. So even if you don't live in a motorhome, I'd still recommend this. Because, like, if you've got company, there's 4 or 5 of you in the motorhome and someone's used the toilet, you know, that just eliminates any smell that you've been doing anything in the toilet, so to speak. Well, I think that is important, because it's quite embarrassing if you open the toilet door and people are sitting right close to it. They can't get away from it. So this works. It's really good. And also in the bathroom and the door handles and that, I use that Dettol as well, because it kills and disinfects. It's ever so good. If you've got a cold or anything, you can spray it all round on your door handles and this Dettol, and it's totally safe. So I use that an awful lot on the taps anywhere. So that's good. And for general, just to make it really smell nice, I bought this from Lidl's. It's no, Aldi. It's there. Let me just tell you, it's lime, basil and mandarin. It's #1 luxury room spray, and that's really nice. We just spray that around in both the rooms. We love that. Absolutely love it. It really does smell of lime, and I like citrus, so that's good. And the last thing we really, really like to use is these incense sticks. We burn them most days. So we've got quite a range. It depends on what mood we're in. We've got dragon's blood, that one, Eastern Tantra, that's nice, and super hit. I don't know, there's a meaning, they're all supposed to do something. You know, if you're feeling stressed, you use this one and that one. So, and that's Money Matrix, and this one is my favourite, Patchouli. I love this one, so I buy more of these than anything else, so that's lovely. And it's just a nice meal, it's just relaxing, and we often like them of an evening, so that's what we like to use to keep the place smelling really, really nice. So these are the products that we're using right now. If you've got any suggestions, connect with the community and leave them in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, come on, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe. And if you want to be a super subscriber, ring my bell, it's down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.